You're rock, Oh,
Ay! Good day, everyone. I'm David John Peralta from Pipsant Colleges, and I'm BS Marine Engineering, Bravo. And today, I will discuss the any new technologies that can aid in the compliance to marine environment. The maritime industry is increasingly embracing technology to ensure compliance with environmental regulation and protect marine ecosystem. This shift is driven with the need to reduce pollution, conserve biodiversity, and mitigate the impacts of climate change. And here are some of the key technologies that are aiding in marine environmental compliance. Number one, electronic monitoring system or EMS. And the functionality is the EMS collect and transmit real-time data on the vessel operations, including fuel consumption, emission, and vessel location. This data allows for continuous monitoring for compliance with regulations such as the IMO's MARPOL Annex 6, which sets limits on sulfur emissions. And the benefits is the aims reduce human error, improve transparency, and enable proactive management of compliance. And they also provide valuable data for research and analysis, helping to identify areas for improvement and optimize operations. And the adoption as of 2024, over 65% of vessels operating in the international water use AIMS. And secondly, AI driver compliance software. And the functionality is the AI powered software automates tasks such as reporting, documentation, data analysis, reducing administrative burden, and improving efficiency. It can also analyze large datasets to identify potential compliance risks and suggest corrective actions. And the benefit is the AI-driven compliance software can streamline processes, reduce errors, and free up resource for more tragic tasks. It can also help companies stay ahead in evolving regulations and industry best practices. And the impact implementing AI-driven compliance software has cut administrative burden by 40%, improving operational efficiency. And thirdly, remote inspection drones. The remote inspection drones equipped with the high definition cameras and sensors can be used for remote inspection for vessels, infrastructures, and marine environments. They can assess hull condition, identify potential pollution source, and monitor marine life. And this is the benefits. Drones offer significant efficiency gains, reducing inspection time and cost. They also reduce safety risks for human inspectors by eliminating needs for hazardous on-site inspections. And the efficiency, drones can inspect a cargo ship hull under 2 hours compared to traditional inspection lasts 1 to 2 days. Um, The last, four, acoustic monitor for marine life. Acoustic monitor system use underwater microphones to detect and analyze the sounds produced by marine mammals, fish, and other species. This data can be used to identify the presence of protective species, assets, and impact of human activities in marine life and measures and the benefits. Acoustic monitoring provides a non-invasive and continuous method for monitoring marine life, allowing for early detection of potential threat and proactive conservation efforts. And the advancement in satellite technology have enabled real-time streaming a larger volume of acoustic data, reducing the needs of the site personnel and improving safety. And number five, satellite telemetry and tracking. And the functionality is the satellite telemetry Tree device can be attached to marine animals, allowing scientists to track their movements, migration patterns, and habitat use. This data is crucial for understanding the distribution and behavior of species, identifying areas of vulnerability, and informing conservation strategies. In the benefits, satellite telemetry provides a powerful tool for monitoring marine life, especially for species that are difficult to observe directly. It also allows for the identification of areas where human activity poses the threat of the marine animals. And the advancement is affordable, open source satellite telemetry devices are being developed and making technology more accessible to researchers and conservationists. In the six underwater photogrammetry for coral reef monitoring. This is important. Functionality underwater photogrammetry uses multiple images taken from different angles to create a detailed 3D model for coral reefs. This model allows scientists to assess coral cover, identify species, and monitor the health and resilience of the reefs over time. And the benefit is underwater photogrammetry provides a precise and scalable method for monitoring coral reefs, enabling scientists to track changes in reef health and inform conservation efforts. The impact is this technology is helping the quantity of effectiveness of the coral reef, restoration of effort, and guide for future intervention. So 7, sensing for coastal habitat monitoring. And the functionality is remote sensing technologies such as satellite imagery and aerial photography can be used to monitor changes in coastal habitats, including mangroves, seagrasses, and wetlands. This data is to identify areas for habitat losses, assess and impact of human activities, and guide restoring efforts. Like Aberdeen, he will implement the mangrove and the benefits remote provide cost-effectively large coastal habitat, allowing early detection threats and proactive management. The impact this technology is being used to develop predictive models can be forecast future changes in coastal habitats and inform the design of proactive restoration solutions. Genetic tools for aquaculture transparency. Number 8. Genetic tools for aquaculture transparency functionality. Genetic tools such as DNA barcoding can be used to trace the origin of fish used in a aquaculture feed. This information helps to ensure the responsible sourcing for rich fish and promote the sustainable management of these important marine sources. The benefits is genetic tools enhance transparency in the aquaculture industry, promoting accountability and responsible practices. The impact is this is technology is being used to develop streamlined method for species identification and traceability, driving positive change in the aquaculture trade landscape. As number 9, 3D imaging for marine habitat restoration. And the functionality is 3D imaging technology can be used to create detailed models of marine habitats such as a pearl over reefs. These models help scientists assess the extent of habitat degradation, plan restoration efforts, and monitor the effectiveness of intervention. And the benefits is the 3D image provide a powerful tool for visualize and analyze marine habitat, supporting informed decision making in restoration and management. And the impact is this technology is being used to develop sustainable aquaculture practices that promote the recovery of pearl oyster population and enhance ecosystem services. And number 10, blockchain for compliance tracking. Functionality, blockchain technology provides a secure and transparent platform for recording and tracking data related to vessel operation and compliance. This can help ensure the integrity of data, improve transparency in audits, and facilitate the enforcement of regulation. So the benefits, Blockchain offer a tamper-proof and auditable record of compliance activity, enhancing trust and accountability within the industry. The impact this technology is still in its early stages of development for the maritime industry, but it holds significant potential for improving compliance and transparency. So, conclusion. This technology are transforming the way we monitor, manage, and protect the marine environment. By leveraging this advancement, the maritime industry can move toward a more sustainable and environmentally responsible future. Thank you for watching.